If you can open Fluent but you're still guessing what solver settings to use or what validation actually looks like, you're not alone. Most CFD learning stops at, here's how to click the buttons. This path is built differently. It starts with a complete pre-simulation engineer's cheat sheet. Before you even open the software, you'll know how to classify your flow regime, choose the right solver and turbulence model, and set a convergence strategy that actually holds up. The exact decisions working CFD engineers make before every project, explained in detail. From there, 5 industry-based projects take you through real external aerodynamics workflows, geometry prep, mesh generation, solver setup, and post-processing.
You'll run a full DLR-F6 wing body case study, generate supersonic meshes, and validate results against real NASA wind tunnel data on the Canard control missile, model rotating machinery on a NACA research propeller, and even step into fluid structure interaction with a hands-on one-way FSI flow probe simulation. Every project ends the same way every real engineering project should, validated against published data, not just a pretty contour plot. By the end, you're not just watching tutorials, you're building a portfolio of validated industry-grade simulation work, exactly what shows up in interviews and design reviews at real companies. Complete the path and claim a verified MECTATIA certificate, shareable directly on LinkedIn and other platforms, with a verification ID recruiters can check. All 5 projects are also available individually, but as a bundle, you save $60 with lifetime access to every update. This is zero to CFD Simulation Engineer. Start with a cheat sheet, finish with a portfolio that gets you hired.